Hi, in the last video I have discussed about atria. What is atria? Where this atria is present? In which site of atria? Superior vena cava and inferior vena cava is present. What is the function of pulmonary vein? All these things. But in today's video I am going to discuss that in atria. First of all, in the last video I have discussed details about heart. This is heart, and small upper portion of heart is known as atria. Suppose this is atria, this is small upper portion. This upper portion is atria and this lower portion is called ventricle. If we observe atria, suppose this is atria, if we cut this atria and fix here, we can see that there is two chamber of atria. One is at right side, another is at left side. Atria present at the right side of heart is called right atria. Atria present at the left side of heart is called left atria. Now, as we have discussed earlier that human heart is myogenic heart. That means human heart is regulated. Human heart is auto-regulated by nodal tissue. In heart, there are mainly two types of nodal tissue. One is called SA node. Number one is called SA node. Number two is called as AV node. Now, here in SA node, SA means sinoatrial node. SA means sinoatrial node. Where is sinoatrial node? That is SA node is present. SA node is present at the right upper corner of heart. Suppose this is heart, this is right side and this is left side. Right upper corner, this right side, and in this situation, in this position, right upper corner of heart is called as SA node. SA node is present at the right atria of heart. And SA node is, what is SA node? SA node is the special type of tissue. SA node is a special type of tissue present at right upper corner of heart. This is right side and this is at upper corner. This is at upper corner. This is called SA node. Where is SA node is present? SA node is present at the right upper corner. Right upper corner of human heart. What is the function of SA node? SA node initiates the action potential in human heart. That is, what is term action potential in heart means? Action potential is that potential which provide the ability to compress, or that is contraction and relaxation of heart. From the SA node of human heart, suppose SA node, what is SA node present? Right upper corner of human heart. From the SA node of human heart, action potential of heart is initiated. The SA node act as the initiator of human heart. And what is its function? It's initiate action potential in heart. And what does action potential means? action potential is that potential which provide the ability of heart to be contraction and relaxation, and contraction and relaxation of heart is very important because it is that properties of heart due to which heart is considered as a circulatory system. Why? Because by the contraction and relaxation of heart, blood circulate throughout the human body. SA node in human heart generate action potential 70 to 75 times per minute. That means in 1 minute SA node can generate action potential is from 70 to 75 times in 60 seconds. Hence our heartbeat is also 70 to 75 times. That means our heartbeat rate is also 70 to 75 times. Why? Because SA node can generate action potential in from 70 to 75 times in human heart. Another important functions of SA node is that SA node maintain rhythmic contractile activity of heart. Rhythmic contractile activity of heart is maintained by SA node. Rhythmic contractile activity of heart means that heart always keeps in a state of contraction and also as relaxation. This is maintained by SA node. So SA node also can be said as pacemaker of heart. Why? Due to its because it maintain rhythmic contractile activity of heart. What is the other's name of SA node? The other name of SA node is pacemaker. SA node can be said as the pacemaker of heart. Why? Due to its ability to maintain rhythmic contractile activity of human heart. This is all about SA node of heart. Now we are going to discuss second node of heart, that is AV node of heart. Second is AV node. What is AV means? Here A means atrio, V means ventricular. That means atrioventricular node, AV node. And where is AV node is present? AV node is present at the lower. AV node is present at the lower left corner of human heart. AV node is present at the lower left corner of right atrium. This is right atrium, this is left atrium. Now what is the difference between atria and atrium? Where is atria? Atrium. Atria means means plural form and atrium means singular form. We have to remember both same but only difference in their numbers. Atria is in plural numbers and atrium means in case of singular. When single atria represent, when we talk about a single atria, we then call as atrium. But in case of two or more than two or more than two, then we will call the atria as atria. But in case of single, we will call as atrium. Now what is AV node? AV node means atrioventricular node. And where is AV node is present? Both SA node and AV node is present at the right atria, but SA node is present at the upper right upper corner of right atrium, but AV node, that is atrioventricular node, is present at the lower portion of right atria and in the left side. Lower left portion of right atria is called as AV node. AV node is present close to AV septum. AV node is present and close to AV septum. Suppose this is heart, this is right side of heart, and this is left side of heart, and this is portion is atria. Is right side atria is called right atria. Atria at left side is called left atria, and this lower portion of heart is called ventricle. Right side of ventricle is called right ventricle, and ventricle present at left side is called left ventricle. Now the separation between right atria and left atria, suppose this is the separation or septum between right atria and left atria, is known as interatrial septum. What is interatrial septum? The separation between right atria and left atria in human heart is known as interatrial septum. And septum which separates atria and ventricle, that is from right atria to right ventricle and left atria to left ventricle. This septum is known as AV septum, and where A means atrio, V means ventricular. Atrioventricular septum means separation between atria and ventricle is known as AV septum or atrioventricular septum. Another septum is present between right ventricle and left ventricle, and suppose this is right ventricle, this is left ventricle, and the separation between them is, this is separation, and this is called as interventricular septum. Suppose this is right atria, this left atria, separation between them is known as interventricular septum. Interventricular septum. What is the function of AV node? Major function of AV node is that AV node electrically separate atria from ventricle, that is atria and ventricle is electrically separate by AV node. Hence AV node has great importance in right atria, that is in heart. Impulse is generated at SA node. Impulse is generated at SA node, and impulse is transmitted from SA node to AV node. This is all about atria. Now suppose this is human heart. Upper portion of heart is atria and lower portion is called, this lower portion of heart is called ventricle, and this upper portion of heart is called atria, and this is right side of human heart and this is left side of human heart. Atria present at the right side of human heart is called right atria, and atria present at the left side of human heart is called left atria. Ventricle present at the right side of human heart is called right ventricle. Ventricle present at the left side of human heart is called left ventricle. Left ventricle. Now we are going to discuss about the lower portion of human heart, that is about ventricle. What are the how many compartments? ventricle. There are mainly two compartments of ventricle. One is called right ventricle, another is called left ventricle. Suppose this is ventricle, this is ventricle, this is ventricle. This is right side, this is left side. Ventricle present at the right side is called a right ventricle. Ventricle present at the left side is called as left ventricle. We have to remember that the wall of ventricle is much thicker as compared to the wall of atria. We have to remember that ventricle is thicker. The wall of ventricle is thicker than atria, and one septum that separate right ventricle and left ventricle is known as interventricular septum. Separation between right ventricle and left ventricle is known as interventricular septum. Interventricular septum separates right ventricle from left ventricle. This septum is composed of thick fibrous tissue. Now this is right ventricle, this is left ventricle, and in the right ventricle we have pulmonary artery, and this pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood. This is the exception of artery, that is all the arteries carries oxygenated blood. Oxygenated blood means oxygen which oxygen is oxygen rich, that means oxygen is sufficient amount, is called oxygenated blood, and the blood in which oxygen is less, the amount of oxygen is less, is called deoxygenated blood. And all the artery carries oxygenated blood, but pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood from right side of heart to lungs. It carries deoxygenated blood from right side of heart to human lungs. And in left ventricle we have aorta. It is aorta. What is the function of aorta? Aorta carries blood away from heart. This is our heart, and this is our heart, and the function of this aorta is that it carries blood away from heart to tissue part or other parts of our body. In general, right ventricle is smaller and left ventricle is bigger, and left ventricle is more muscular. Why? Because we have to provide more pressure in aorta, because it carries blood from heart to other parts of body. But in right ventricle, pulmonary artery carries blood from heart to lungs. So left ventricle is much thicker, muscular and bigger, and in the aorta we have to provide more pressure to flow blood from heart to other parts of human body. Aorta is the main artery of human body, and one type of valve is present both in pulmonary artery and aorta. And what that valve is called? That valve is called as semilunar valve. This valve is called as semilunar valve. And what does this word valve means? Valve is used to denote flow of something in unidirection. Valve always prevent backflow. Semilunar valve allow flow of blood in one direction. This is the function of valve. All kind of valve is that they prevent backflow of blood and they allow flow of blood in one direction. Now I am going to discuss about valve. That means how many kinds of valve is present in human heart. We know what is heart, what is valve. Valve is none but which prevent backflow of blood. Valve only allow the flow of blood in one direction. How many types of valve is present in human heart? There are mainly two valve is present in human heart. What are they? Number one is called as tricuspid valve. One is called as tricuspid valve. Another is called as bicuspid valve. Mainly two types of valve is present in human heart. First of all, tricuspid valve. We have to know the location of tricuspid valve, where the tricuspid valve is present in human heart. In between right atria and right ventricle. Which type of valve is present? Tricuspid valve is present. In between right atria and right ventricle, tricuspid valve is present. But in between left atria and left ventricle, bicuspid valve is present. Where is bicuspid valve is present? In between left atria and left ventricle. And we have to know other things, that what is the other names of bicuspid valve. Sometimes the question comes as mitral valve, then we have to understand that mitral valve and bicuspid valve are same things. The other name of bicuspid valve is mitral valve. What is the function of this valve? This valve prevent the backflow of blood in human heart. Now in the heart, this is upper part is atria and this lower part is called ventricle, and we have two types of fibers in a heart. One is called Purkinje fibers, another is called bundle of His. Bundle of His also a muscular fibers. First of all, Purkinje fibers. Purkinje fibers is present around the ventricle. Suppose this is ventricle, and around the ventricle, this is ventricle, and around the ventricle Purkinje fiber is present. And what is the function of Purkinje fiber? It helps in conduction of impulse. Purkinje fiber, the function of Purkinje fiber is it helps in conduction of impulse, that is to receive impulse. Purkinje fibers helps. Second types of fibers present in heart is bundle of His. Bundle of His also one type of fibers, and bundle of His is present at the ventricular wall. This is the wall which separate right ventricle and left ventricle. This wall is called as ventricular wall. And in the ventricular wall, which type of fibers is present? Bundle of His is present. Now we have already discussed. We have just discussed that in our heart 2 types of fiber is present. One is called as Purkinje fiber, another is called as bundle of his. Now where is Purkinje fiber is present? Purkinje fiber is present around a whole ventricle. Around a whole ventricle Purkinje fiber is present. And what is the function of Purkinje fiber? The function of Purkinje fiber is to helps conduct. It helps in conduction of impulse. To helps conduction of impulse. And bundle of his, where the bundle of his is present? Bundle of his is present at the ventricular wall, the wall which separate right ventricle and left ventricle. This is called bundle of his, and bundle of his is present at the ventricular wall. Now, as I have discussed, impulse generated from SN node. From here, impulse is generated. Initiation of impulse is take place from SN node. Impulse initiated from SN node, and after that it reaches AV node, and from AV node the impulse is reaches bundle of his, and after bundle of his this impulse is reaches Purkinje fiber, and with the help of this Purkinje fiber the impulse is spread all over the ventricle. In this way impulse is transmitted. Impulse is transmitted throughout the human heart. In this way conduction of impulses take place in human heart. This is all about the human circulatory system. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you have any doubts regarding this video, you can ask me through comment box. I will try to reply. Thank you very much. Also press the bell icon. I think I can do something better for you guys. So give me such opportunity so that I can do something better for you guys. Always I am always with you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.